Hey, this is Sandy, and I have a new DIY kit from Simply Earth. This one is the Golden Glow Body Butter. You get a kit. It's really awesome. You get to make 4 containers of body butter. These are 8-ounce containers. Everything you need comes in the box. I have already pre-weighed out my ingredients, so let me show you. You don't have to weigh. They do give the measurements, but when you weigh ingredients, you get a more well-balanced concoction. Anyway, so this is my water and my glycerin. These are all my oils. I'm going to have to heat both of these to 160 degrees, and then I have to blend them together with my immersion blender to create this emulsion. And as it cools down, once it finally gets to 120 degrees, then I can add my preservative, my essential oils, and my gold mica powder. If you could see just how beautifully iridescent this gold mica powder is, it's so impressive. The oils that we're using are Good Vibes Essential Oil Blend and Amyris, which is a single oil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the heating process, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do the blending together, okay? All right, we're back. I gotta get started. So I'm making an emulsion. Oops. While I'm blending the water, I'm going to slowly add all my oils. This is going to give us a really nice smooth body butter. My house is cold, so this is going to be fun. I got to get the rest of the emulsion out. Oh goodness. All right, hold on. Let's see if I can get this stuff out. Let me get it out real quick. Whoa. So we've got, oh great, don't splash it on yourself either, because it's butter. All right, back to blending. Let me get this other stuff here. So we have to blend it for 1 to 2 minutes. If this heating process isn't done correctly, your shea butter will get all grainy. That's really annoying, I can promise you. It works the same, unfortunately, it just gets grainy. So I'm going to do this and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, I'm back. It's been blended. I have an ice bath here. I'm going to stick this in here. The goal now is to bring it down to 120 degrees. Here is my thermometer. My good thermometer just died, of course, because I was playing with it. So it's nice and milky on top. So we're past 120. We have to get down to 120. Then we're going to add the essential oils, and I believe we're going to blend it one more time. Stirring occasionally. Once it reaches 120, add your essential oils. Yeah. So let's go ahead and stir this. It'll help get some of the heat out anyway. And let's see how long this is going to take. Yeah, we're still over 120. Let me get back to you guys. All right, we're down below 120 now. I'm going to add in the essential oils, the preservative, and the gold mica powder that makes this the Golden Glow Body Butter. Let's get this all. All right. So what we'll do is this will continue to cool. I think I'm going to whip this up real quick to make everything nice and blended. All right, that did the job. So this will continue to thicken. I'm going to put it in the jars. Those came with the kit, by the way. So did the really pretty labels, you can see, and it tells you exactly what's in it. I'm going to put this into jars, but I'm not going to cap it. I'm going to let it cool completely and thicken, and then I'll go ahead and cap it. We don't want to trap all that excess heat in there. So I am going to do that, and then I'll bring it back to the end, and you can see what it actually looks like. Okay, we're back. This has probably been sitting, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. It's still a little wobbly. I'll show you as it at the end so you can see what it looks like. So I wanted to tell you about the essential oils that are that come with this kit. The Amyris is a woody tree. It's found in Haiti and all over the Americas. It was also called torchwood, because it's highly flammable. So they were able to use the wood of the tree to use as torches. It's used now for grounding and relaxation. The Good Vibes blend is a blend of lavender, lemon, hoe wood, geranium, and clary sage. All of these essential oils are great for hormonal imbalances. And ladies, if you know, you know. It's good for anxiety and promotes positivity. So this is going to be a really good, relaxing body butter to use. Again, you get this is 4 cups of body butter. These are 8-ounce jars. And let me see if I can get some out. It was already starting to solidify as I was finishing it. So right now it's super buttery, but it is wet too. I've actually already used this on my hands, so you can see, I mean, this is just really nice. It's creamy. I have entirely too much on my hands right now, but it's really nice. And of course now I have my rings on too. But it blends really nicely into your skin. It doesn't have the waxiness that beeswax would. The conditioning emulsifying wax is one of my favorites. I like that. I discovered it when I was making the conditioning bar for my hair, and I like the way it melts. It melts much smoother than some of the other waxes that we get in our kits. So highly recommend it. Anyway, this is the Golden Glow Body Butter Kit, DIY kit. Makes great gifts. It's great to use on yourself, you know, give yourself a little extra pampering. You are totally worth it. I will leave you, as always, the link and a 10% coupon code below. If you have any questions, please leave them for me. I love to answer questions, and I love to be able to help other people find the natural, clean life. So take care and have a fabulous day.